Alrighty, what's going on, everybody? I am trying to fix this. I don't know what's going on right now. I'm pretty sure the frames are dropping very drastically. But how you doing, D Hustler? How we doing? How we doing? Been a minute since I've been on YouTube. See, we having technical issues. It's something to do with my stream. I don't know where my settings are. Let me see. Bring down my bit rate here. Think that fixed it? Maybe. Yeah, it looks a little better now. Less frame drops. Alrighty, let's go ahead and clean up our charts. This is kind of the annoying thing of contract changes, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, what is going on? Oh, no idea what I just said. All right, I guess we gotta go through one by one and delete these. Cool. All right, alrighty. What do we got here in the monthly time frame? Retested this order block just now. Starting to see this expansion back to the upside a bit. Got monthly relative equal lows down here. All right, so we got monthly relative equal lows pretty much at 109. Hmm, that's the monthly order block here. Pretty much that's April's candle. And as well, I would highly suggest you guys do adjust the contact change. That makes your charts a lot better and you don't see a massive gap. Because I remember when I was first learning how to trade futures, that massive gap used to get my ass handed to me. Because I just genuinely did not know what the hell the charts actually wanted to do because we had a massive gap. And I know a lot of new traders are thinking, oh my goodness, massive gap fill. All due respect, that gap is not getting filled because it's not a real gap. All right, so we charted pretty much the monthly levels here. This is 1 month relatively below. Monthly buy side up top here. Give you some more time. It was all-time high. A little monthly volume imbalance. And we got some more monthly sell side. Monthly sell side, 19,076. All right, let's go on to the weekly. What do we got here? I know we got a trade fit delivery here on the weekly. Um, we got that monthly purchase here. Weekly volume imbalance. Previous weekly low here at 19,345. Oops, that's high, not low. Excuse me. All right, we got pretty much all the levels we got. You could market that weekly fair value. Yeah, personally, I'm not going to, but you can if you would like to. The weekly volume balance was kind of tell us enough, where there's no point in really marking out that fair value gap. All right, we're gonna do some upside tomorrow. We did, in fact, actually mitigate that bearish fair value gap that we respected pretty much last week Wednesday, and then now we're getting an expansion back up. So very likely we are going to see upside. Very likely we also gravitate up towards this weekly what's the thing called? My screen is frozen on YouTube. Why is it frozen? Oh, my screen is frozen. Thank you so much. All right, let me fix that here. Bit rate's actually moving good. How we doing, Julio? There we go. Okay. Is my screen moving now? We good? I think we're good. All right, I'll run back through the levels here again. Once I'm done charting out pretty much daily. Actually, really got nothing to really mark out on the daily because pretty much marked out all the weekly time frames and then to mark out previous day low if you would like. Previous day's high. Alrighty, this is pretty much everything we'll need here. That weekly volume balance also lines up with the daily, so I'm not really gonna mark out that one. It's kind of redundant. And also previous week high also lines up with this buy side liquidity, so it's also redundant to mark that out. I mean, if you would like, pretty much could mark out this bearish equilibrium block. Thank you, no. Apologies. When I'm in the zone, I do not reach out. But very likely we see some upside just based on this daily candle. It's closed over that bearish daily fair value gap today. And we also respected that order block that we created here. So ES has a much cleaner order block. Yeah, this is pretty much all we need to have marked out. It's actually really nice to have very clean charts again. Yeah, that's pretty much all we need here. So I'll run through these levels here really quick, but based on the daily, pretty much like you're gonna see some upside. I'm not really sure what level this is. What is this? 1 month order block. So that's also where price is coming from. As you got your monthly order blocks. Pretty much you got their monthly volume imbalance. Obviously, previous month high, previous month low, current month. Can't mark that out, but we have some monthly sell side down here. What is this? Pretty much at 19,076 range. Monthly buy side, our previous month high, pretty much at that 526 level. Now it's all dependent on how does this month want to close. If the month does close like this, we are going to see a lot more downside, and damn near pretty much 100% solidifies. We're going to be in a bear market if we close below this level here. If we close below 20,531, we are going in a bear market. If we close below this monthly order block, oh yeah, we're 100% in the bear market. I guess now it's time to go ahead and chart out ES here. Actually, I don't think I have ES charted whatsoever, basically. A lot less things to remove. But only 4 drawings. But then everything we marked out here on NQ is pretty much lining up the same thing with ES. Same order block back from April. Price looks like it tested it perfectly. But obviously that could be a little skewed considering we do have the contract change. But pretty much once it comes to doing your top-down analysis, pretty much just look at your POIs. The POIs and liquidity. And what I was suggest doing is marking out the time frames in which it came from. Because let's just say you're intraday trading and you see a crazy reversal after taking out, let's just say, monthly sell side liquidity, and you're trading the 1 minute or 5 minute. Well, you know why? Prices took out a monthly sell side liquidity. Simple as that. Kind of common sense. Okay, so we swept that liquidity, buyer stepped in, also tapped the monthly order block, buyer stepped in perfectly after sweeping that liquidity and tapping the monthly order blocks. And we also have this monthly volume imbalance. I'm gonna mark up pretty much just the extremes. I'm gonna marking both of those out. With likely price respect one of them, it's likely gonna respect the other one as well. Okay, I don't need to have it. All right. Alrighty, got weekly buy side, weekly sell side. Like I said before, with NQ, if you like, you could mark out that fair value gap. Personally, I don't care for it. And we also mitigated that fair value gap here on ES as well. So yeah, same thing. Both indices are pretty much saying the same thing. We're gonna see some upside finally. Find some tickers that you enjoy trading. Buy calls, hold strong. We're gonna get a little relief rally. Nobody's saying we're going up to all-time highs, but yeah, we should see a relief rally at least. Alrighty, these are all the levels that I have. This is the top-down analysis here for ES. We did NQ. If the music playing in the background doesn't copyright this, you can easily just go back and watch it. But these are all the levels we have. We already kind of did a lot first yesterday in the Discord. So at this given point in time, what is this? All right. But yeah, these are pretty much all the levels we have. Anybody have any questions? And we probably are going to go live on YouTube tomorrow. I'm considering it. There's no data. Alrighty. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care, everybody. And also, expect a YouTube video tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Have a great rest of your night. Yep, we do have FOMC on Wednesday, but tomorrow no data. I think data Wednesday and Thursday. That's about it. And I'm kind of considering doing 20 Apex accounts for FOMC and live trade it for you guys on YouTube. This depends on the engagement once I make that post. If the engagements are high, I do it. Engagements are low, I won't do it. But if I'm not live on YouTube tomorrow, I'll definitely be live in the community. Be down in the community. Have it in pretty much all my bios and social media. Click the link. And on that note, I will see you guys later. Take care.